Alright, so today's video I have a mystery package from Hibbett Sports. I have no idea what is inside, so I figured I'd open it with you guys live. And let's go ahead and get into the video. What is going on, guys? Has here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description, and happy shopping. Thank you to Hibbett Sports for sponsoring this video. If you guys are not familiar with Hibbett Sports, they are a retailer that has over 1,000 brick and mortar stores across the US. They also have an online retail space as well. Gotta check the link in the description to check out their updated site. But one of the cool features of the site is that they have an up-and-coming release calendar for sneakers that are releasing in the future. It looks like Hibbett Sports is going to be getting the new Yeezys that are going to be dropping, so definitely worth checking them out if you have not seen it thus far. You can shop at Hibbett Sports or download their app in the link in the description. But this package right here, though, I have no idea what they sent. It is just a random one that they delivered to my house. So I'm going to open up with you guys and see what is inside of this box. Feels kind of heavy. No idea if there's one pair or what is inside. So let's see. Okay. Not sure what this is. This is a new pair of sneakers right here, and look at this. Alright, so this package right here is some clothing, and it is from City Gear, which is a sister company of Hibbett Sports. So got some goodies in here. And then you can see this is a Air Jordan box. And I know what this one is right here because this is on Hibbett's release calendar. Actually, there's an open raffle for it right now. And basically this is a pair that is going to be dropping on Saturday the 21st. And there we have it. This is the Air Jordan 12 in a game royal color, and gotta say this one is a super nice colorway. Really good color blocking on this. And I'm a fan of the Air Jordan 12s in general. It's just a great looking model. It reminds me of like the flu game color blocking of the Air Jordan 12, but with blue hits instead of red, obviously. What do you guys think about the Game Royal 12s though? Is it something on your wish list coming up in this next week or not? Leave a comment and let me know. I want to show you guys what else they sent, and then we'll get into kind of some more details on this shoe right here. So Cedar Gear also sent some goodies over here, it looks like. And we have, whoa, this is dope. Kind of a rad shirt. It says drink more water. Has a little dolphin in a bottle there. And this obviously can go with these sneakers right here, so it's kind of cool they sent it like a full fit. So speaking of going with the fit, they got the pink dolphin pants as well, some sweatpants. They're fleece lined down the middle. As you can see, it has like a racing stripe in fleece on these sweats. And these also go with the shoes, so this is kind of a nice head to toe look of the Air Jordan 12. Nice looking sweats though, they're heavy duty, and the little fleece extra will be extra warm in the wintertime for myself. And then the t-shirt's cool. I actually dig this one quite a bit. I would wear this just normally anyway, just kind of a cool looking shirt. The materials actually feel pretty good on this shoe as well. Tumbled leather's nice around the top of the shoe with all the different panels, and then you have a nice little suede-ish sort of hit. It's like tumbled suede or something almost on the toe section right here. And then you have the 2-3 straight down the front of the shoe with the Jumpman embroidered on the tongue. And then on the back you have the 23 on the rubber. Then it says Jordan with the Jumpman on the pull tab. It says quality inspired by the greatest player ever. And that is kind of a look at these shoes, man. Surprisingly good quality though, and definitely one of those shoes if they're not on their radar, hopefully this video will put them on your radar, because this is definitely one of those ones I think people will enjoy once they pick them up. Thank you to Hibbett Sports for sponsoring the video. Shout out to City Gear as well for adding the apparel to the pickup. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, if you guys want to shop at Hibbett Sports, check their link in the description. And appreciate you guys for stopping by and watching. Have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you guys for some more sneaker videos very soon. Peace, guys.
Perfect.